So I got into solar in 2005 as a Peace Corps volunteer in Panama, where I served with my wife. I worked to put 28 off-grid systems to the huts and the school in our village. And so that's really what opened my eyes to solar energy. Having the opportunity to help property owners incorporate solar power into their daily lives to help lower their bills, to help lower their carbon footprint is something I take great pride in, and I'm proud to be able to do that for a living.
I got into, fell in love with renewable energy during my time in the Peace Corps. And then when I had the opportunity to work with Jeff Redwine to start our own solar company, I was thrilled. And we jumped at the opportunity to do it in North Carolina.
What I love about the state of the solar industry right now is that technology and prices are finally where they need to be. And because you do have some government incentives that are there today, along with prices that have dropped a decent amount, it makes it so that solar is incredibly affordable for the masses. If you want solar, you're able to get it.
At Red Group, we have a mission and a commitment to integrity and to honesty. You're going to see a difference from us from the first time that you meet one of our guys. When we come to your home, we're going to approach you as a person that's interested in a technology that we're also interested in and that we love. We want you to understand what the solar technology is and what it can do for you, and see the great investment that it is for you. And we want to help you through the process of making it happen.
Being a small company, we're highly involved in each project. We want to tackle each project as if it were our own home, as if it were our family's home. We want to help each client understand all of the options that are out there. We have purposely not chosen to work with one particular brand or two or three just particular brands. We are able to source products, any type of product for solar, and utilize those for our projects.
When you have your solar installed by Renewable Energy Design Group, we're local. You can count on us to be there when you call. You don't have to call some 800 number and speak to a sales representative that has to transfer you to somebody else that's going to transfer you to somebody else. You know who installed your system, and we're going to take care of you.
If you've got any questions regarding solar energy, please reach out to us. Let us know your questions. We'd be happy to speak with you or meet you in person and help you understand if solar's right for you. We look forward to speaking with you soon.